Wear all the season's trends with Rentstyle times Charis Michelsen, the best luxury clothing rental subscription service. Enjoy wearing a gorgeous luxury clothing item each day, perfect for events and staying on trend. Your first month is free. Unlimited box exchanges, so you always have something new to wear. It's stress-free fashion. Rentstyle handles all dry cleaning for you. Easy, free returns. Just throw your worn items into the provided postage-paid bag and drop at any USPS. It's affordable. There are various price points that fit your budget. It's convenient. Get fresh, beautifully wrapped luxury items. Wear, return, and repeat. If you fall in love with an item, Rentstyle offers you the item at a major discount, so you can keep what you love. Visit rentstyle-charismichelsen.com to see the great luxury styles available now.